everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to quickly tell you about the colors I'm using. Now my base color down on my canvas, it's a 12 by 12 canvas. The Arteza is 12 by 12. They come in like a 8-pack, I think it is. I really like these canvases, so we're going to do 12 by 12 with the Amsterdam Standard Series Quinacridone Rose Light, that's what it is. Sorry, my glasses are a little dirty and I was missing part of it. So we got a light pink happening. We've got the Christina Welch Ready to Pours, Mellow Yellow and Seafoam, as well as this little Piggy Pigment Grunge, and also Christina Welch, her Porridge Posse Paints. We've got Morning Pansy Shimmer and Bubblegum Shimmer. Those are two of my favorites. So if you haven't checked out Christina Welch's channel and her Etsy store for some of her paints, please do. They're awesome to use. You will not regret it. Alright, those are all the colors I'm going to use. Now I'm going to be doing something with a little tool my sweetheart Greg made me. And it is a Hexagon, I call it a leaky cup. I'm going to put it down in the center of my canvas, pour some paint, and let's see what happens. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And all my regulars, thank you so much, you guys. It really does mean the world to me, all the comments and all the thumbs up, so keep them coming. I appreciate you very much. All right, Greg's going to hit some music. Sit back, relax. I hope you enjoy. Thanks.
Hope isn't lost. Tear away the meaning, stripping back each feeling to start. And life on high wire. Balancing, believing like carrots. Funny, something about her reminds me of my parents. Private school up at NYC. I wanna take a swim in her menagerie. She don't pay no mind to me. Upper class lady got an energy, but I'll come back around now. I saw her at the post office picking out stamps, folding up and licking them and doing that dance. Overcome by what I wanna see, doing anything to make her notice me. Playing like it's poetry, then you're moving past me like a Saturn ring. See you around now, iced out. Waiting at a stoplight at 5th and 42nd with my radio too loud for me to ever get to heaven. And she pulls up with the guy I know, got a shirt around his neck in case the world gets cold. I guess this the kind of thing she's looking for, kinda like the carrots in the grocery store. Is that safety? Maybe.
Lucy comes outside when it's silent and there's no one around. She hates high-pitched voices, the scream and shout, she can't stand the sound. Lucy knows her limit when she swallows her pills one by one. She loves the high that's due, and she hates the later on down. Hey Lucy, how are you feeling now? Hey Lucy, how are you feeling now? Lucy hates to feel reality knocking on her door, so she injects herself now before she makes sure there's always more. Lucy's scared to death, but all all she knows is how to run away. Maybe Lucy, you and me, that's our specialty. Hey Lucy, how are you feeling today? Hey Lucy, you and me always running away. Hey Lucy, you and me always running away.
Well, I was doing alright until the sun went down. Then not even 10 minutes into the fight, and I couldn't make a sound. But you changed it now. You found a way somehow to make it better. When I find myself back at zero again, when it's a fast break and a clean start, when I'm broken, you can mend, you can repair my heart. Know when you've got my back, I stand a little bit taller. You chase the trouble away, you make it better. Well, I can see a light across the valley tonight, but it's growing shallow and dim, and it's on account of my own light going out, 'cause you're not in the state that I'm in. So I'm wasting my time buying cheap bottles of wine, trying to make it better. She knows it, she hones it, wherever she goes. It's a wild mixed up, it's a hard world, but she's a better and a sweeter kind of girl.
climb this mountain. Oh, stay right beside me. Watch me climb, watch me climb, watch me. Ain't nobody here to guide me. How am I to cross this river? Oh, stay right beside me. Watch me cross, watch me cross, watch me. Just watch me climb. Don't take off your eyes while I run down. Just watch me climb. Don't take off your eyes while I run down. Ain't nobody here to teach me. How am I to reach up high? Oh, stay right beside me. Watch me fly, watch me. Just watch me climb. Don't take off your eyes while I run down. Just watch me climb. Don't take off your eyes while I run down. Run down 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 while I run. Ain't no secrets here to tell me. How am I to reach the stars now? Oh, are you still beside me? Just watch me, watch me. Just watch me. Watch me. Just watch me climb. Don't take off your eyes while I run down. Just watch me climb. Don't take off your eyes while I run down. Run down 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 while I run. Ain't nobody here to tell me. How am I to climb this mountain?